All right, in this example, we are just going to go ahead and verify that this right here, let me highlight it, is a family of solutions to the differential equation 2y prime equals y cubed cosine of x. To verify that's a family of solutions to that differential equation, all we need to do is plug that function in for y, and also find its derivative and plug that in for y prime. Pretty quick and easy task here, and that's why I'm doing this as an aside or a speedy computation. So let's go ahead and do this. All right, I feel fairly confident that that is the first derivative of y. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. It's always a good idea to do that. All right, now that we have y and we have y prime, let's go ahead and plug those values, or those functions, I suppose, into this differential equation and see if we get an equality. I start by looking at the left-hand side, 2y prime. Let's go ahead and do that. Luckily, y prime is just right here, so twice that should be pretty easy. And we want to know if 2y prime is equivalent to y cubed times the cosine of x. So let's go ahead and look at y cubed times the cosine of x. Getting down to this point right here, you could see actually that this expression right here, cosine of x, c sub 1 minus sine of x to the negative 3/2, is the exact same as this expression right here. Therefore, 2y prime is equivalent to y cubed cosine of x. These two are actually equal, and therefore we have shown that that function, y, right here, is a family of solutions to the differential equation 2y prime is equal to y cubed cosine of x. Little side note, not that's necessary here because I'll likely talk about it in class, but it's a family of solutions because of that parameter c sub 1. That can be any number we want. In fact, this equivalence is true between 2y prime and y cubed cosine of x, no matter what we have chosen for c sub 1. In fact, when we did all the computation, you can see the highlighting just shows they're going to be the same. We could choose c sub 1 to be pi, or we could choose c sub 1 to be 287.8, whatever we want. No matter what we choose for c sub 1, these two equations, 2y prime and y cubed cosine of x, will be the same.